This video is about these various herbs that I'm really thinking that you should invest in for yourself, for your health. This is in regards to your uterus and your genitals, to get them into good working order so that you can move on. Okay, so the very first herb that we're going to start with is going to be this one right over here. Now this is dandelion. So this is the leaf, this is also the root of the dandelion, and it's also the stem of the dandelion. Now dandelions is really good. You can get what's called choline from this, and so that's for good liver health. And oftentimes when you're bothered with fibroids, you might have a little backup inside of your liver, just depending on where the fibroid is going to be sitting. So dandelion, and you can find dandelions out in the wild. If you have a yard and you've never put pesticides or anything like that on your yard, then I would recommend just getting your dandelions from your yard, or at least buying some fresh, good quality dandelion. You can dry them out, and then you can powder them. This is all powdered up, and you can turn that into a tea. Dandelion is a diuretic, so you don't want to overdo it with dandelions because it can be taxing on your liver. But at the same time, you do want to incorporate that as a tea with your healing. Now, along with the dandelion, and I've showed this before, this is my burdock tea. So, well, this is just some burdock powder. You can get you some burdock root, and then you dry it out, turn it into a powder, and you can just drink this by itself. This is also a demulcent. I spoke about that before, and how it creates a type of mucilage that will help to coat your organs, your throat, and this is going to be something that's really good because it works really good when you add this with the dandelion, because like I said, the dandelion can be a little harsh on your liver. So think of the burdock root as kind of a buffer for the dandelion, just like the baking soda is for the apple cider vinegar. One of the others that you should actually add as part of your healing is going to be these great leaves here. So these are soursop leaves. One of the great things about the soursop is there's been a lot of studies on this in regards to cancer, maybe cancer preventatives, and pretty much cancer is like a tumor. And so I would say get you some soursop leaves and dry them out, and you could turn this into a powder as well, and make your tea with that.